I discovered a YouTube niche that nobody is talking about. In this niche, channels like Lord Wojak, No Budget Stories, Zero Budget Stories are crashing it like crazy. The best part is there's almost no competition in this niche, and creating the actual Wojak videos is super duper easy with AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the best channel branding, how to create consistent Wojak images, and how to create the actual Wojak videos. So grab your notepad, and let's dive in. Here is the video we're going to be creating in this video.
Eric Mendoza wondered how a smart person with 177 IQ like him would end up being locked up. His twin brother and he graduated top of their class at Yale Law School. He also remembered vividly the party they had the evening of the graduation day. In just a week, he landed a paralegal position. He cracked cases after cases. However, his reign of success was short-lived by two officers who randomly showed up at his desk. At first, they let him loose. The next day, they got him in front of his coworkers. And now here he is wondering what went wrong.
The first step is to create a consistent, recognizable branding. To do this, first I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 Wojak channel names. ChatGPT gave me a couple of them, and I settled on Wojak Chronicles. Then I went ahead to create a YouTube profile picture and channel banner. You can use Canva for this, but I used a free online Photoshop-like app called Photopea. One more important tip is to craft SEO-optimized channel tags and channel description. There are several tools that you can use for this. I use this one. Go ahead and add the channel description, and to add channel tags, go to the channel homepage and click on Customize Channel, then click on Settings, and then on Channel. Go ahead and copy the tags and paste them there. One more thing, while you are in the channel settings, click on Advanced and under a question, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Select No. Set this channel as not for the kids. This way, your channel will be well optimized for the right audience. After the channel branding is taken care of, let's create the story and its corresponding audio. First, I asked ChatGPT to give me a story of a lawyer who ended up in prison after graduating top class at Yale University and after only working for a few months. Terrible story, I know, but stories like these are the ones that get views. Anyways, ChatGPT gave the story and I took the story to 11 Labs. Apart from 11 Labs, you can also use Fish.audio, Speechify, and any of 11 Labs alternatives. Now that we've got the audio, let's start creating the Wojak photos. First, go to ChatGPT and click on the GTPS, search Wojak, and this is the exact GPT I used. And no, I didn't create it myself. I learned about from this creator, so shout out to him. After a few minutes of back and forth, I got this prompt and I copied and pasted it into Nano Banana. I continued to prompt the GPT to get more photos depicting the scenes in my story. I also used a free Capcut text-to-image generator called Dreamina to create photos of additional images for the scenes in my story. Now that we have the images, let's create the actual Wojak videos. To do this, you can use any free image-to-video generator like VO3, Kling AI, or Dreamina Capcut. In my case, I used Kling AI and Dreamina Capcut. I would upload the photo as a reference photo and add a prompt of what the character should be doing. The tool generated really great videos. I repeated the process with all the photos and I had finished all the scenes. The videos, I gotta say, came out looking pretty good. Here are some of the videos I generated. Finally, let's put the video together. For this one, you may use any other video editor of your choice. To prove that the video editor does not matter at this stage, I used Capcut to edit the video. First, I added all the video and audio assets into the timeline. Then I arranged the audio I got from the 11 Labs in the order of my story. Then I added their corresponding B-rolls. In the end, here is the video I made.
Eric Mendoza wondered how a smart person with 177 IQ like him would end up being locked up. His twin brother and he graduated top of their class at Yale Law School. He also remembered vividly the party they had the evening of the graduation day. In just a week, he landed a paralegal position. He cracked cases after cases. However, his reign of success was short-lived by two officers who randomly showed up at his desk. At first, they let him loose. The next day, they got him in front of his coworkers. And now here he is wondering what went wrong.